Hey there, I'm cooking again here. Still got my broken wing going over here. So remember, remember when you're getting out of the car, or my elbow too. Remember when you're getting out of the car, you always check for bikers, because sometimes there's a biker coming up and you open your door and then the biker's gonna run right into your door because there's no time to react, and then they got a broken wing and they hurt their shoulder and the elbow hurts, and it's no fun. So don't do it. Look out your door, do the Dutch reach when you open your door. Anyways, so today I got an exciting recipe for you. I'm doing my another broken wing recipe. So we got some Teddy Grahams. What am I gonna do with Teddy Grahams? Tell you what I'm gonna do with Teddy Grahams. I'm gonna take them, put them in there. Then I'm gonna take some tiny marshmallows. That one's got in the way there. Put them in there. Now I'm gonna take some more Teddy Grahams. Put them in there. Now I got a couple of these little chocolate bars. I'm gonna break them up, put them in there. Then hopefully that one's gonna get away. More chocolate bars. I'm gonna use 3 little tiny chocolate bars in this thing. Take this one. Oh, I dropped my chocolate bar. I'm very I think Mark just got with my broken wing here. Oh my goodness. So it's gonna be I have another chocolate bar. I'm gonna get another chocolate bar for you. Not that one. I mean, I'm picking it up. I'm not gonna eat it because it was on the ground. I mean, I do wash my floors, but you know, I got more chocolate bars luckily. Some mail there. So I'll get another chocolate bar out of here. Okay, I got another chocolate bar. It's hard to open these chocolate bars when one of your wings is not working so good. Another chocolate bar, boom, 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 chocolate bar, breaking it up. And a few more Teddy Grahams, because why not? 2 more. Now I can take a little more marshmallows. 1 more. A little more. There, boom. So now I got in here, I got Teddy Grahams, I got chocolate bars, I got marshmallows. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in the microwave oven. What do we do with microwave ovens, eh? I'm gonna put it in here for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna have a delightful treat coming up for you guys right now. No forks in there. But don't worry, I did my dishes. Somebody have clean forks down here. Fork. 15 seconds till deliciousness. 10. 5 seconds till deliciousness. Alrighty. Okay, so when you know I got this concoction. And this special treat today goes out to my friend Bob in San Diego. And he needs a special treat today. So this is a special treat. I'm thinking about you, Bob, while I eat this. And I'm thinking, if only I could send this deliciousness straight to you in San Diego. But on the other hand, you get to live in San Diego. So there's that. Oh my God. It's like all my chocolate dreams come true. That's so good. It's melty and gooey and chocolatey and marshmallowy and Teddy Grammy. You can do this with graham crackers too, just for your information. I did not do it with graham crackers because I went over to Jules today and they have any graham crackers. They're all out of graham crackers. Very disappointing. Anyway, arrivederci.